UGCNET 2023 application. It is a public notice. Last date for applying UGCNET exam online is on 17/1/2023. So this is by the National Testing Agency. It's a public notice, January 2023. In order to regularize the UGCNET examination cycle, the National Testing Agency, with the concurrence of UGC, is conducting UGCNET December 2022 from 21 February 2023 to 10th March 2023, as per public notice dated 29/12/2022. Opening of the online portal for submission of online application form for UGCNET December 2022. The NTA has been entrusted by the University Grant Commission, that is UGC, with the task of conducting UGCNET, which is test to determine the ability of Indian national for assistant professor and junior research fellowship and assistant professor in Indian universities and colleges. The National Testing Agency will conduct UGCNET December 2022 for junior research fellowship and eligible for assistant professor in 83 subjects in computer-based test mode. Submission of online application form 29 December 2022 to 17th January 2023 up to 5 p.m. Last date for submission of examination fee through credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI 18 January 2023. This is up to 11:50 p.m. Correction in the particulars in online application form 19/20 January 2023 up to 11:50 p.m. Announcement of City of Exam Center first week of the February 2023. Downloading of admit card from NTA website second week of the February 2023. Dates of examination 21st February 2023 to 10th March 2023. Center, date and shift will be announced. As indicated on admit card, display of recorded responses and answer keys to be announced later on the website. That is this website. Okay. Application fee general is 1100 and the OBC non-creamy layer, that is rupees 550. For AC STs PWD 275 is also for the third gender. Important instructions: candidates can apply for UGCNET December 2022 through the online mode only through the website. Okay, this is the website. The application form in any other mode will not be accepted. Only one application is to be submitted by a candidate. In no circumstances, candidate will be allowed to fill more than one application form. Strict action will be taken even at a larger stage against such candidates who have filled more than one application form. Candidates must strictly follow the instructions given in the form of bulletin and on the NTA website. Candidates not complying with the instructions shall be summarily disqualified. Candidates must ensure that the email address and mobile number provided in the online application form are their own or parents' guardians only, as all information communication will be sent by NTA through email on the registered email address or SMS on the registered mobile number only. In case any candidate faces difficulty in applying for UGCNET December 2022, she may contact on this number or email at UGCNET. Okay, for further clarification related to UGCNET December 2022, the candidates are advised to visit the official website of NTA, and this is the website for the latest updates. Thank you.